Hello there, you're welcome to this tutorial. So today I'm going to show you something that's been trending, kind of like, yep. So let me just get out this. There's a text, there's a way people write text these days. You know, we designers come up with things, new things almost every day. Okay, so I'm going to make the background white actually, okay, because this sometimes works better when the background is like white, even though sometimes it must not be white completely though. Can be another color, but I think it works best when it's white for me. Alright, so now if you also subscribe to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like the video, and comment, share the video as well to other people. So I'm going to write Chris Graphix tutorials. Let's say Chris Graphix. Now let me change the font of this to something bold. So come to the font editing to click on fonts. So I'm going to change it to something bold. Monster, this is not bad. So what I will do is to reduce the spacing between the letters. Okay, so I'm just going to enlarge this. I'll need something tall, so let's go to font again. I think Morganite is on this side of the font. Morganite black. I really want something, yeah. There are different types of fonts here. Morganite black, I think. So I'll just increase the spacing back. So I'll hit OK, and then I'll increase Chris Graphix tutorials. Okay, the spacing is still so tight, so let me just add. Yep. Alright, -1 is okay. So I'm going to duplicate this, Chris Graphix, I'll write tutorials. Now this is the channel. So I'll just put this right here. Chris Graphix tutorial. So let's change the font, the color to maybe that is okay. Change the color of this to, alright, let's use that. So now the next thing I'm going to do, just click shapes depending on the type you want to do. For me, I won't use cycle. You can use cycle. Alright, so now for the color, choose gradient, click the plus sign. I have some form of the gradient ready, but I'll click this first point here, then click the color icon, and then shift this last slide, this transparency slide, shift it to 0, hit OK. So this is just what I need to do, just hit OK, and then you see this. So hit OK, click the object editing tool, okay, then go to color, enable the color, and change it to white. Change the color to white. Now there are different things you can do right here now. So what I want to do is this effect here. Now you can have this effect here. Click opacity and reduce the opacity. Reduce the opacity to when it's, I think it's okay. Alright, so you can see the effect is given. So you can bring another here. Let's say reduce the opacity again, just a little bit. Okay. Then you can copy it, reduce it, probably bring here. Okay. So you can see the effect it's given. Alright, you can see the effect is given. So this is how to actually do that stuff you see people do on, text and all of that. So now if you've not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button, like this video, subscribe to the channel if you have not. A lot of persons have been watching my videos and they have not been subscribing. I don't know why. Please add value to the channel. That's going to encourage me to keep creating. Alright, that's going to encourage me to creating. Some persons have been begging me not to stop creating, but if you're not encouraging me, I won't see reasons why I should be creating videos, alright, every now and then. Okay, it's actually a whole lot of work. You should know that, and if you don't know that, at least I'm telling you. So encourage me, and subscription is free. So it's just to encourage me to keep creating videos on this channel. Alright, so hit the subscribe button and like this video. Share it as well. Tag other people. Share the link to this channel to other people and all of that. So I'm going to save this so I will post it for you to also subscribe or something. Alright, so thank you for watching. So this is how to create that effect. you're good to go. See you in the next one tomorrow. Bye.